It's only the issue. No man penny, even in principle, craji to muse, even say Sebio, say galamsey cran near your crana, if I saw an inquabonting in Yawaha. I mean, he say, it is a Bajatum endorsement, which is very unfortunate.
Obashini Penkrai. Same pussy, two former good day, crying into the question. Say, hey, I know. If you are first, no more the court. If you are more for me to the court. But I think that after the helicopter crash, I was expecting, say, Omampeni should have used this engagement to set a different tone. But that's what the Foreign Affairs Minister, Erokujetu, before President, was say, one of cabinet meeting, be now, obit my promise Ghana for say, dear Mampeni, Ebeyeno. Enye bini di ye hu ikura ono abi di kunanim
on say omayene on say if die you are usunku e janso usunku on say tam na yaudi ni woman dia rehono e bia that thinking that e bia that
e jai di
betu ani no but niam start second down what I say enunti for me omayene me chidi say this is a conversation we will pick it up with the president again.
Na kunye betimi akon.
Omani we need a political war. Wali minu mi no yenkotu galamsey. Isabiu yenum akpofa obi yankotu galamsey eyamanfo na. They are toiling and playing with it. But the question is that omani na si yedi sabiu yetu afuma gudeni di na echirima no meden. Yes, say what Ghana water for? The stability level. Omakacho.
Say, I didn't say.
The issue here is that we expected Omampeni to give another hope. Say, look, this galamsey fight, it has taken the lives. Aji Sebiu yem penifo yenuanomo and watchi enkwa. Essence in the sense on intino. Anamuntu abaini A to A B C D nie enunti no said ye okosen sabi wona wo hye TikTok ne other way chika say baby a hye bia so it also wa wo sit wo ye campaign no ye we baby a hye bia will come after you, we know you